Hi and welcome to another episode of Roxy's Ride and Inspire. And Happy New Year! Today I'd like to show you how to ride steep descents with a pretty loose surface and with a pretty sharp transition in the end. First step is to be committed, which means if you're really scared of doing it, then just don't do it. It is very, very brave to know your limits and to respect these. So once you've decided you actually want to ride it, you want to stay heavy on your feet and you want to stay balanced over your feet with heavy feet and light hands. You want to get really low before the descent, and then you want to allow the bike to fall into the descent. So you're staying heavy on your feet and the bike is moving forward into the downhill section. All the way down, you're bracing over your feet. So you're staying heavy on your feet with a strong core so that you're strong once the bike enters the transition in the end. This way, I'm always balanced in my bike and the bike can move freely beneath me. I am modulating the brakes all the way to reduce skidding. It may happen, but if it does, then just open the brakes a little bit to find your perfect braking point again. This way you can stay in control all the time. What you're actually trying to reach is stability, control, and balance. And these are my tips to reach these goals. I hope you enjoyed it. Wishing you a great day. And thanks again for watching. See you again next time.